Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking that the headset is on and connected. This matters because the shutdown method may differ when paired to the console versus Bluetooth. Next, make sure any active chat is closed and mute the mic so you avoid accidental transmissions. Now find the headset power button, sometimes combined with volume or pairing, so you know whether a single press, long press, or combination is required. Once you've confirmed button locations, you're ready to perform the first shutdown action. You press the power button according to the model. A short press often puts the headset to sleep, while holding it 3 to 5 seconds usually powers it fully off. This is why you check the manual or LED cues first. If the headset is linked to your Xbox, you can also disconnect by pressing the controller's Xbox button and selecting audio device settings to sever the link. Watch the LED. A steady light typically means on or charging, while blinking commonly means pairing. Solid off equals power down. You finish by verifying the headset is truly off. Check LEDs, then attempt to reconnect. No connection or lights means power down succeeded. If the headset won't respond or won't turn off, battery drain can mimic a frozen state, so plug it in for a few minutes and try again. This often clears the issue. If it remains locked, perform the factory reset or firmware recovery described in the manual. That step resolves software freezes, but will reset saved pairings and settings, so be prepared to repair.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.